Good morning again from Midtown Eclectic Mall. We're going to do a little video tour of Sewendipity. Donna has been in the business of children's clothing for 26 years, normally doing craft fairs, and she's decided to downsize and just come to us. She's been with us since we opened, making children's clothing, dresses, burp cloth, beautiful blankets, onesies. She also does custom orders. Little Woo Pig Suey. We have pillow covers by Sewendipity. Also have some bibs and bathrobes. Come on